Galing. Yung sound. So, guys, welcome back sa panabago kong channel. Ngayon po, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa Five Nights at Shrek's Hotel na laro. So, creepy to. Yung iba, napapadismaya. Ako, nahihimatay. Nahihimatay yung iba. Pero ako, easy. Five Nights at Shrek's Hotel. Warning, this horror game includes flashing lights or jump. Ha? Sino yun? Oh, hello Shrek. Hello there. Oh, hello po. Bakit po ganyan po yung itsura nyo? Ha?
Oh, hello there. Welcome to Shrek's Hotel. How can I help you?
Grabe yung mga sounds na yun. How can I help ya?
How can I help you? Hi, can I get a room for 5 nights, please? Sure, we have an empty room on the 2nd floor.
Sige po, sige po. Yan yung gusto kong itsura mo. Ano yun? Oh, kausapin natin to. Hello.
Hey, are you okay? Hi, I work here. Just cleaning up a messed up room.
Grabe yung voice. Ano naman yan? Grabe ka naman, tol. Huh? Pwede po bang sumama sa inyo? Ang dilim, hindi na lang po.
I need to take a dump before sleep.
Okay, sige po. Okay. So, it cannot open.
Excuse me, where is the toilet? The toilet is over there. Don't you dare pissing on the walls.
Bakit yun yung mukha mo? Hindi, joke na po. So, talagang wag mo talaga siyang gagalitin, no? Kita yung mukha na yan, ha? Kita niyo yung mukha niya yan? Aangas ng mukha mo, ah. Aangas ng mukha mo, ah. No. Papalag ka? No, papalag ka? So, ano? Caution. Wet floor. At, bakit hindi naman? Hindi naman po. Grabe naman to. Basag talagang puwitan. Ay. Promise. So, we're going upstairs. Oh. Ayan yung lolo ni Shrek. Kilala ko talaga yan. At pangalanan natin siyang Bartobol. Good night. Night 2. Okay. Oh, hello po. Sipag mo naman po. Bakit yan din tsura mo?
Last night you took a big dump in my toilet. Took me a long time to clean it. Now you have to help clean up the toilet floor.
Sige po. No problem po yan. Dahil napaka-basic lang naman eh.
My teeth on getting rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my dress. In the torn up town, no postcode envy. But every song's like gold teeth breakers, dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trashing the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams. But everybody's like crystal, laid back, talking on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We got caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royal. It isn't within our blood. That kind of love's just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me queen bee, and baby I'll rule.
Who was that?
Who was that? Dumiretso ka na.
I don't feel sleepy. Maybe I should take a look at the paintings.
Anong gagawin mo sa paintings? I-center talaga natin. Hala ka!
Oh no, what have I done? I should do something.
Putang ina ka. Hide the painting. Run away. Wala naman ang matatakasan. Hindi ka naman pwede pumunta dun. So, i-hide na lang yan natin yung painting.
Oh, that was close.
Whew.
Who could it be?
Sino yun?
How could I help?
Hi, how can I help?
Just checking in. There's some noise coming from upstairs.
No.
I didn't hear anything. Are you sure? Yes, everything is fine.
Grabe yung sound.
Alright, good night then.
Alright, good night din nga. Sleep time. Chismoso to ah. Uy, anong sinasabi niya sa'yo? Punyeta ka. Babalibag kita. Kung sa totoong buhay talaga, lalabanin ko talaga si Shrek. Hindi ako sa kanya matatakot. Hindi pa tapos. Burger.
I want to sit down and eat my food.
Teka lang.
Hey, how are you doing?
Oh, hello. Kalbo. Hindi mo sinagot. Sige po, pupunta na po ako. Bakit ganyan yung tsura mo agad? Putang ina ka. Oh, wala na yung painting. Display lang muna to sa akin. Dapat sa ilalim ng kamo di nalagay. Oh, wala na si Shrek. Toilet. Caution, 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 caution. Caution, caution, caution. Antong box na to? Magta-tower stock ba kami ni Shrek? Sana yung ano? Yung kupal na yun. Ano to? Ayan. Oh, patay na pala si Donkey. Good na yung ulo. Okay, sige po.
I have had enough of your trouble. Now you must pay this off by working a night shift for me.
Sige po.
Go downstairs and bring the boxes upstairs and put them in the warehouse.
Okay. Let's get this. Bahala dyan. Hindi talaga pwede. Ano ko ba kung pwede lang talaga kunin to? Diyos, ano naman. Kung pwede lang talaga kunin to. Pili tayo dito. I don't get a weapon. Teka, dito nga. Ano? Bakit ganyan ka? Bakit titig ka ng titig sa akin? Kung mamamatay niya talaga ng lalaki. Bye-bye. Oh, hello Carl. Bugbugin natin si Shrek.
Hey, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm fine. Do you need any help?
Do you need any help?
Thanks, it would be great if you could bring a box upstairs.
Po, salamat po.
Good boy. Now you can go sleep.
Okay, sige po. Huh? Galing. Grabe naman itong magsabi ng good boy. Ang gagawin ko rin. Bakit yan nasaksak? Saan na yung painting? Pwede lang pumunta dito. Ay! Putargis talaga itong Shrek na to. Huh? Shrek juice? Huh?
I feel strong.
I feel strong. Inom pa ba tayo ng isa?
It says on the back to not drink more than once in your lifetime. I might overdose.
Drink one more? Drink one more. Yoko. Ma-overdose nga eh. Punta tayo rito. At ano? Oh, buhay pa pala si Carl.
I feel weak again.
Mga nasa dito.
Here, take this energy drink and drink it. Okay.
Grabe yung mukha. Uy! Takbo. Takbo. Oy! Oh shit. Oh no. Bang! Thank you for playing. Subscribe for exclusive updates, free games and future releases. Okay, subscribe. Joke lang. No? So, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Watch nyo na lang po yung next video at huwag nyo kakalimutan yung pag-subscribe nyo, like nyo, at pindutin nyo po rin yung notification bell. At para lagi na yun po kayong updated sa channel ko. So kung nagustuhan nyo po to, paki-share naman po para makapag-enjoy rin po yung iba. So, salamat po. Goodbye.